Now that you've received your Visoria microscope, in this video we will show you how to take it out of the box and set it up. Please refer to the user manual for detailed assembly instructions and important safety information before starting to assemble your microscope. Place the box on a stable and clean surface. Carefully open the box. The content may vary depending on what you purchased. On the top, find the user manual and an inventory list. Underneath, you'll find your Visoria microscope. Take the microscope out of the box and place it on a clean, stable table. Inside the box, you will find all the microscope components. Now you can start setting up the microscope. Unscrew the stage locking screw underneath the front left side until the stage moves freely. Mount the stage control handle and move the stage until you feel it engage. Now retighten the stage lock. Screw the condenser head into the condenser holder. Next, the focus knobs need to be installed on both the right and left side. For incident light applications, first install the incident light axis and connect it to the back of the stand. Now mount the eyepiece tube directly on the incident light axis and tighten the grub screw. Remove the protective caps and insert the eyepieces. For the digital version, mount the camera directly on the incident light axis and then install the monitor on the camera housing. Don't forget to plug in the USB cable to use the camera. Move the stage to the lowest position. Screw the objectives into the nosepiece. Place the LED lamp housing in the incident light axis receptacle and fasten it with the grub screw. And connect it to the corresponding power socket. As the last step, connect the power cord. Now you are ready to turn on and use the Visoria microscope. Power up your routines with efficiency and comfort using the Visoria upright microscope.